Transadvisory Legal is a full-service law firm in Abuja which specializes in transactional, commercial, and litigation services. In commemoration of the World Day of Social Justice, Transadvisory Legal sent over a team of lawyers to educate students of the Government Secondary School Garki on the topic of sexual and gender-based violence.
We're here to talk about empowering inclusion, bridging gaps of social justice, and here today we'll be discussing about sexual and gender-based violence. Sexual and gender-based violence. This is so rampant amongst young guys, young girls nowadays. They are being violated both online and physically. So we are here to discuss about this, the impact that it has on them, the causes of sexual and gender-based violence, as well as the laws that are protecting these young girls and boys against sexual and gender-based violence.
The day began with opening prayers from the Muslim students and the Christian students. The students also recited the national anthem in harmony. The floor was opened with an introductory speech by Barrister Maduka Oluwafemi.
So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
All right, so I'm so happy to be here. My name is Maduka Oluwafemi, and I'm a lawyer. I work with an organization, and the name of my organization is Transadvisory Legal. So, Transadvisory Legal, that's the name of my organization. Today being the 20th of February, 2025, and as a socially responsible organization in commemoration of the World Day of Social Justice being marked today, we have come up with a special program, a special interactive session to speak with you on a very important topic. So I will be yielding the floor now to the speaker. Thank you, and I hope you will learn from the session. Thank you very much.
There are various types of sexual and gender-based violence. It can be physical violence, which it can be in the form of domestic violence, hitting or beating someone. It can be in the form of sexual violence like rape or harassment. It can be in the form of emotional violence, and it can also be in the form of economic violence. It is important for us to do our part to prevent it and to speak up whenever we see signs of gender and sexual-based violence.
Violence against Persons Prohibition Act. It is popularly known as VAP Act. V-A-P-P, punished. VAP, my dear, nobody is above the law. Even the smallest one. But I want you to know that at the age at which a person can be criminally liable is 7 years and 12 years then above. If you are between the age of 7 and 12 years, generally you're not supposed to be criminally liable. What if you can do an act when you are committing that particular crime? You know that what you are doing, you are intending to harm another person, then the law will see you as somebody who has the knowledge, who has the intention, and you are ready to commit the act. And by that time, you can be tried in a juvenile court and remanded in a juvenile home. I'm very sure everyone here is a good girl and good boy. I want to believe that. Okay,
Who can tell me what sexual and gender-based violence means?
Gender-based violence can be defined as a harmful act against individuals based on their sex or gender.
Okay, that's so good. Please, a round of applause.
Yeah. And if I can, despite my poor background, if I can be a lawyer, you can also be whatever you have chosen to be. Are you getting me? So shun gender and sexual-based violence. Shun anything that will make you not to get to your future. The president will come out from here. Governors will come out from here, lawyers will come out from here, doctors will come out from here, teachers also will come out from here. Isn't it? So clap up for yourself.
Some students received gifts from Transadvisory Legal for portraying good conduct and answering some questions.
we have enlightened the students, we've made them know about the impact, the causes, and how the law is there to protect them, particularly for them to speak up, because right now, the major solution is for them to speak up. We've encouraged them on how to go about this, and We are glad that Transadvisory Legal is here to support and help the society. Thank you.